Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel Rider Nada Moto Diaries. Today is day 8 and it is 10 o'clock right now. Yesterday our destination was to reach Leh, but we are getting delayed. The reason was one of my friend's bike broke down, so we couldn't fix it yesterday night. So we'll fix it today and we will ride towards Leh, and the plan is to rest at Leh and explore the local market, and whatever the plan is there ahead, we'll execute it accordingly. But by the way, we are in Ladakh right now. The view itself shows it. So a little bit of breathing problem here, not much. We have all medications, definitely carry all the medications. And yes, it's time to start the ride. Let's start the ride. Let's ride. Welcome to day 8. We waited for the two guys left behind yesterday. As soon as they came, we left. There were few places which we had to see on the way to Leh. Though I had seen it before, I wanted to see again. And about the rest, this was their first ride to Ladakh. So on the way, we kept clicking photos as the landscape was awesome. In some time we reached Futola top, which is at 13,479 feet.
We then crossed Lamayuru and reached Moonland. The landscape of this place is totally different. You won't find a similar landscape anywhere in the whole of Ladakh. For me, the mountain looks like gold, but it's a place worth to visit. Spend some quality time there. There was some graffiti work done on the name board which shouldn't be done, as it hides the information on the board. We then started from there. One main thing on the way, that there was a landscape which was totally different, with a very high mountains having some rough look and rocks chiseled from it. The ride continued to be peaceful and of course scenic. Now to our right, river Indus was flowing and we were riding parallel to it. We were at a height and I saw a Mahindra Scorpio parked close to a river, so I asked the riders, can we go down, and then took a narrow and steep lane to get close to the river. It was worth spending some time here. By seeing us, few other bikers also took steep descent and came down. Those guys in the car already had a dip into the river and were cooking Maggie. We were not in a mood to go inside the river. So we left for our next destination known as the Sangam, where the river Indus and the Zanskar river meet each other. New roads were being laid here. So once I kept my foot down, it went an inch inside the tarmac as it was hot and freshly laid. So the second spot was done. And we were still away from Leh, but before reaching Leh, we had to halt at another place, which is Magnetic Hill. Last time when I came here, I stopped my bike inside the box drawn on the road. I really don't know, but I felt it went uphill on its own. But this time when I reached Magnetic Hill, that box was not visible. Maybe new road was being laid. So once the road work is done, they will draw the box again. The most disappointing part was during my earlier visit the place was totally deserted, and by now there was an adventure center where they have cordoned some part where only their ATV can be used and cannot take our bikes inside. Earlier we could take our bikes on our own wheel. Now there was a hotel and one more bigger hotel was under construction right opposite to the Magnetic Hill name board. It was totally crowded now. After all this drama, we reached Leh at 4 pm. I had already booked a hotel. Actually, it was booked for yesterday, but we had to halt before Leh, so called them up and postponed it for today. Generally, I don't book hotel in advance, and at least a day prior. And the reason behind booking in advance is that we need to take a permit from Leh DC office to visit almost every part of Leh, so that the booking was done through the hotel person itself. These permits can be taken online visiting DC website directly. So if you are going to the DC office, it will consume you half a day or maybe full day. So I tried to take it online, but the amount got deducted and got a result as transaction failed. So I didn't try it again. So 2 days prior, I called up the hotel person and gave all the ID copy through WhatsApp and explained him the routes which we would like to take. But it is necessary to mention the places to get it stamped on the permit. So once we reached there, we had our permits with us. We all got freshened up and made our way towards Leh Market in the evening, as some had to buy thermals and some had to buy souvenirs.